Hi students, this is ASR, lecturer in physics, Vignan Junior College. In this video, we discuss about definition of relative velocities, expression for relative velocities of the bodies moving along a straight line in one dimension, and relative velocity concept with the help of position time graph, and relative velocities of the bodies moving in one dimension in opposite direction. First one, the definition of relative velocity. Velocity of one body measured with respect to another body is relative velocity. I repeat, velocity of one body measured with respect to another body is relative velocity. To understand this, let us consider the following examples. Velocity of a body is measured with respect to frame of reference. In general, frame of reference is considered as the earth as a frame of reference. Suppose velocity of a car moving along a road is 60 kilometers per hour, means its velocity is 60 kilometers per hour with respect to earth. Earth is considered as frame of reference. With respect to earth, velocity of the car is 60 kilometers per hour. Let us consider two cars moving along straight line on the road in same direction. Let A car has velocity VA bar and B car has velocity VB bar along same direction. Car A velocity is VA bar, car B velocity is VB bar in the same direction. Velocity of the car is VA with respect to earth. Velocity of the car B is VB with respect to earth. Then relative velocity of car A with respect to B. To find relative velocity of car A with respect to B, and we have to consider B car as the frame of reference. By considering B car as frame of reference, we have to find the velocity of the car A. For this, add minus VB bar for both velocity of B and velocity of A. Add minus VB bar to the velocity of B, then velocity of the car B becomes VB bar minus VB bar, that is 0. Velocity of the car A becomes VA bar minus VB bar. Then car A velocity is VA bar minus VB bar. When car B velocity is VB minus VB, which is 0, then velocity of car B is similar to earth, because car B appears to be at rest now, so it is identical to the earth. Then velocity of car A with respect to car B is relative velocity of car A with respect to car B, that is equal to VA bar minus VB bar. So conclusion is, if car A velocity is VA bar and car B velocity is VB bar, then velocity of car A with respect to car B is known as relative velocity of car A with respect to car B. It is equal to VA bar minus VB bar. So to understand relative velocity concept, let us consider a position time graph, also known as the displacement time graph. As shown in the screen, let us consider the position time graph. Let us assume two bodies, that is A and B, are moving in the same direction with velocities VA bar and VB bar. Initially, the position of A is XA, position of B is XB. At t is equal to 0 second, position of A is XA, position of B is XB. In the screen, in the graph, we observe that A is ahead of B, because XA is greater than XB. A is ahead of B. And look into the slopes of the graph. Slope of graph B is more than slope of graph A. In the position time graph, slope of graph B is greater than slope of graph A. We know that slope of position time graph gives velocity. Therefore, velocity of B is greater than velocity of A. Velocity of B is greater than velocity of A. Now consider relative velocity of A with respect to B. that is VB bar
That is
minus
velocity
VA
of
bar.
A with
According
respect to B
explained
is
concept,
VA
relative
bar
velocity
minus
of B with
VB
respect
bar.
to A is VB bar
VA bar
minus
minus
VA bar.
VB bar is the relative velocity of A
So
with
according
respect
to
to B.
the graph, as VA is less than VB, if you consider relative velocity of A with respect to B, VA bar minus VB bar and VA less than VB, therefore VA minus VB is negative. As VB is more and VA is less, VA minus VB is negative. So relatively car A is moving with negative velocity with respect to B. So VA minus VB is negative. So with respect to B, car A is moving with negative velocity. So car A is slowing down or reducing its velocity with respect to B, as the relative velocity of A is measured with respect to B. So though car A is ahead of B initially, observe the graph at some time t dash, positions of A and B are coinciding. So A and B are at the same position. About t dash seconds of time, B is ahead of A. B advances A, B exceeds A after t dash seconds, because relative velocity of A with respect to B is VA minus VB, that VA minus VB is negative. So relatively car A is getting slowed down with respect to B. That's why though the car A is ahead of B initially at certain instant of time t dash, as A is relatively going slow down with respect to B, A and B coincides with each other at t dash seconds in the graph. Beyond t dash seconds, B is ahead of A. So with this position time graph, we understood the relative velocity concept. And next, now let us consider the two trains moving in opposite directions. There are two passengers in each train. There are passengers in each train, and trains are passing each other in opposite direction. Then relative velocity of one passenger with respect to another passenger is VA minus of minus VB. Suppose the velocity of train A is VA, train B is VB, both are in opposite direction. So relative velocity of train A with respect to train B is VA minus of minus VB, opposite velocity. So magnitude of relative velocity of one passenger with respect to another passenger is VA plus VB. Therefore, relative velocity of one passenger with respect to another passenger in case of trains moving in opposite direction is sum of their velocities, VA minus of minus VB, VA plus VB. So it is equal to sum of relative velocities. So far we discussed relative velocity concept in case of one dimensional motion. Bodies moving in the same direction, VA minus VB. Bodies moving in opposite direction, VA minus of minus VB, that is VA plus VB. If the two bodies are moving by making certain angle with each other, then relative velocity is calculated by the resultant vector of VA bar and minus VB bar. If VA bar and VB bar neither parallel nor anti-parallel and they are making certain angle with each other, then relative velocity is calculated by the addition of VA bar to minus VB bar. Relative velocity A with respect to B is resultant vector of VA bar and minus VB bar. This topic will be discussed in two-dimensional motion, that is in the next chapter. In two-dimensional motion we discuss relative velocities of the bodies traveling at different angles other than one dimension. Students, with the help of this video you understood, I think you understood relative velocity concept very well. Thank you.